All right, guys, I cracked the code. This is for 40s, 50s, 60s, above makeup, maybe even later 40s. You're not going to get this if you're younger, okay? We learned to do our makeup a certain way. We all did it. The V, the light lid, the crease, the V. And I'm trying to right those wrongs. I work diligently to right these wrongs, okay? What I'm saying is, Lancome, I was gifted. And I love them, and thank you, but I'm going to follow the instructions. There's forces against us still happening. Let's go. Let's take out this tool. Okay, there's this situation here. This whole thing is light right up here. This whole thing is shade 1. Let's go. Step 2. First of all, I had to change my lighting so you could really see that. It's a sparkly lavender. Wow. Step 2. Okay. Step 2. Lower lid. Lower lid. Let's go. Even more confusing, it's saying upper lid, but it's placing it right here. That's your upper lid? Okay. Cool. That's nice. Step 3, touch of light. Right here indicates. Oh, that looks good. Step 4, the picture says go here, and that's called a highlighter. Oh. And it goes right here. You know what? Oh. Get that V. Make sure you get that V. Step 5. This is liner. I guess you take the side. We're gonna line. This is what I love the mascaras. I like a lot of the Lancome things, but oh, there's forces working against us. I'm gonna make this situation cute now. Let's go. Take a brush, take the middle tone. Go on the lid, over the river, and through the hood. Do not lighten up the whole situation. Things will go very dusty, okay? Medium color, over the river, through the hood. Boom. Lighter color, inner corner, and brow. Darker color on edge. You know how I like to little looks. Whatever. Just grab something straight to give you a guideline so it doesn't get all dusty. Boom. And then smudge a little liner. Now, you know a 20-year-old is not buying this, okay? This is a 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90-year-old buying this thing, okay? Look at this. That's a hanging lid if I follow the instructions. I want to speak to the person in charge. Where did you learn this? At A&S Strauss? 1990s? I need to speak to the person in charge and rewrite these diagrams. No way.